Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm filming this hairstyle. As you can see, I'm going to show you on this last piece, and I'm really tired because I've been doing my hair all day since 11 a.m. so it's going to be okay. The hair I used was the Jerry Curl 24 inches, the color 1B. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. At first I just followed the tutorial of this girl. I will put a link down below, and she told us because I was the viewer, yeah, she told us, the viewers, that we need to take one curl and then separate the curl and then put it across each other, like so, put it together and then make it longer. But I find this really hard for my type for course, whatever you want to call it. Seriously, at this point I'm really tired. But on my kinky texture, because I have a lot of hair and a lot of hair, so I use finally at first I follow her instruction. At first I follow her instruction about she said that you need to take one curl or whatever instruction. I just follow this instruction correctly, and then after that I just think that really the curl is the problem. So sometimes I put 3 curls together because my hair was really full, like it was really coarse, so I needed to fill this with like a little bit more of hair so it wouldn't look like I don't have the word. So you take I take 2 curls and then I do this. It will unravel a little bit, or even you can go to the back. And this hair is really long, even though I line the curls in the way that they're not positioned in the same, like they're not the same length, but I found that it was useless. So so first I'm going to moisturize my end, because this tends to be the drier space, like drier area of my hair. The end of my hair is really dry and I don't know why, but yeah, just moisturize your hair. Once I figured out how to put the curls together and then braid the hair, it was really easy going. But at first I was confused, so I took like maybe 5 hours to just to do the back of my head. But the back I had to have 2 mirrors, so it helped. But yeah, back to the subject. Moisturize your hair. Where's the hair? Okay, then I didn't want it to make this curly, but then I wish to just take my Shine and Jam Extra Old Conditioning Gel, and then I put it here. Then I smoothing the product in my hair, the base of my hair, and then I use this product when the Mousse comes in. and this is the MVP. The edge control at the end again of my hair. Then you have your hair. Just tidy it up like that. Just make it a loop. I'm really terrible at explaining stuff, but I try. So you have your curl, you have your hair, then you have your real hair here. Then I'm just going to, you know, loop my hair around my hair. That makes sense. Around my real hair. So you have this, like, you know, just to make like a blocking space, like, you know, tie this shit up. And then I take just like a regular braid. I just start braiding my hair. Okay, that was too far, but you just need to braid a little bit so it won't move. Then I just, here's my real hair. I just separate my real hair with the fake hair, and then I'm starting to twist. I just find out that, you know, just twist, normal twist. Like, you don't need to make this the things that the patient twists like the people do, but you know, doesn't matter. This is like the most easiest method. And then you just, you know, for my hair to blend really nicely with the braid, the hair extension, I'm just going to put some edge control. Just have to, you know, trim those hands because bitch. It's right here. Just going to use this foam lotion and this is like the olive oil, original by Africa, best. Anyways, and now as she suggests to use the Tresemme hold hairspray. So I don't have the one that she showed in her video, but I have the one with like, I don't know, this is the hairspray, and I'm just going to spray on my hair. It's the next day. So what I wanted to talk about last night was that I use 5 packs. No. I use 4 packs and a half of this hair. This is I'm just going to highly like I suggest you to have at least 5 to 6 packs, because me 2 rows at the back I did like with 1 curl, and I thought to myself it wasn't enough, so I had to double the curl, which is like 2 curls. And for the thicker part of my hair, you know, whereas my hair is really thick, I use like 3 curls combined together, and then I twist my hair with that. And yeah, it's still nice, looking nice. And sorry for the sun, but you know, God is blessing us with the sun. When we're not complaining, we're not complaining, because you know, if you live in Canada, you see how the weather is really fucked up. So we're not complaining. You can see it does unravel at the end, but you know, you just have to twist it back like so. And I think I did some DIY do it yourself passion twist. I used 2 packs of 4.5 packs, and then I combined 2 curls together, and yeah, that's it. I think I'm going to do a hairstyle with this hairstyle. So that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. And before I forgot, follow me on my Instagram, Rosie. It's down below in the description box, or even the screen on the screen of this video. And follow me on Twitter, Rosie. And yeah, comment down below your thoughts about this hairstyle, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.